Hey there, in this video, I'm going to be walking you through the Clearstory Vista integration. Now, this integration works for both specialty contractors as well as general contractors. This video is going to be specific to a specialty contractor. So if you are a general contractor, go ahead and click into our GC tailored video. Now, one of the biggest goals with this integration was to eliminate double data entry for our users. The way we've accomplished this is any change order that you've created through the Clearstory automated workflow, that can be instantly pushed into Vista. And you've got two options. You can do that through a lump sum or a detailed breakdown. So I'm going to go ahead and get started here. I'm currently in Clearstory's cloud-based change order log. This is shareable with your customer. You'll also notice that I have updated my column headers here, so I can see whether or not I've actually pushed the COR into a PCO. Now, one thing to keep in mind here is you can push a single change order at a time into Vista, or you can actually send multiple at a time. I'm going to choose my item here that is unassigned at the moment. So I'm going to select this item. And when I do that, you'll notice my plus Vista button is now active here in the upper right-hand corner. Let's go ahead and click in here. So what we're looking at now is a list of all the PCOs that are associated with the project that you've connected to Clearstory. So I can actually choose an existing PCO to push these items into, or I can go over here on the right and I can create a brand new PCO without having to leave Clearstory. So let's go ahead and create a brand new PCO. And just like that, I've created a PCO without going into Vista. All right, let's do some data entry here. Now we've got two options. One is going to be a lump sum. The other is going to be a breakdown. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the breakdown option here. Now with the breakdown, I've got an example of labor and material. If you have equipment, markups, taxes, etc., those are also going to be included as line items. Go ahead and choose my face code. Perfect. And when I click push to Viewpoint Vista, that is now going to move this data from Clearstory into Vista. We can see that this is syncing. There is about a minute of a delay between the receiving of that data. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at a past PCO that I've pushed into. So I'm going to look for PCO number 1. So let me hop into Vista. All right, perfect. So I am now looking at a Vista PCO. This is that item number 1 that I described. And this is all the data that I've entered into Clearstory and automatically pushed into Vista. All right, so shifting to the integration setup. So this integration can be enabled extremely quickly. And really, we just follow a simple 2-step process. The first is we're going to submit your information to Rivet. And then after that's completed, we can really complete the rest of the integration within Clearstory itself. So with that, I'd like to thank you for your time here today. I know this was a high-level overview, but if you're interested in learning more, please head over to clearstory.build. And from there, you can schedule more time to meet with one of our team members.